We've been waiting for our dock assignment and decided to be a little proactive. Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. In this video, we're gonna load, weigh the load, ride, and finish up at a truck stop with some excitement.
You have received a new message.
You know which one that is.
I would like to commend this trucker.
And the winner of this week's Best Dressed Trucker.
Yeah, man, she's rocking it. She's styling.
From
That's
Nationwide.
awesome. Good for her. I always look all frumpy when I'm on the truck. Because I actually can look very good, but not usually on the truck. She was having trouble with what?
With her trailer tandem slide mechanism. She has a remote in the cab, but I think the locking pins weren't releasing, so she's been in and out and moved it a couple of times and walked around with her hammer. I thought she was checking tires at first, but she didn't hammer the tires. She was reaching way up in there. And, yeah.
Well, I am impressed with her style. Those boots rock, man. What's your new message?
Send a detention alert.
Yes, indeed. Despite the signs warning us not to, we went in and asked, and by golly, our dock was empty and ready and waiting for us. So let's go get loaded. Go-ahead for dock 34. Very exciting, except there was a trailer there when we just checked it. As he cleared the trailer, it did have a green light. Yes! Woo! Awesome. Nice. Now, how to get in there is the question. you know. And now
we wait in silence.
caught you in the act. Oh my goodness, they're huge.
Only 8 of them, and they're 43,000 pounds. Each roll is over 5,000 pounds.
Roll is over what?
Over 5,000 pounds.
And how many rolls?
8.
Wow.
Get in the truck, we're leaving right now.
Okay.
This load on the edge of town here before we get too far away, because if it's wrong we'd have to come back here and get them to adjust the load, because they put some of the rolls at the front and some of the rolls at the back. There's a big space in the middle of the trailer, so we got to make sure we got the load over the axles properly. I don't want to get 100 miles away to find out it's wrong, you know?
Yeah. It's a big factory.
Paper mill. Right in the middle of town. I bet you the real estate agents are always aware of the direction of the wind.
Probably. Though it didn't really smell bad.
Today we're showing houses on the west side of town. Because the wind's fresh in that direction. Right?
Yeah. But it didn't, I didn't really smell it. Normally paper mills smell pretty bad.
Yeah.
Turn left at the traffic light.
We are from the intersection, this line here.
Yes. It's the stop here at the actuate. Actuate?
Actuate the signal.
To actuate. I thought they meant like we mean a stop here. Actually.
No, it means there's a sensor under the pavement, so it knows there's a vehicle waiting for the light to turn green.
Actuate.
We are 80 feet back from the intersection so that trucks can make this turn.
Yes, indeed.
Because the streets are too narrow in this town. And that's why I don't want to take a left here and drive through downtown. I might get into trouble. We'll take this road that goes right out to the highway.
And you already know where there is a scale?
Yes, I do.
continues over here.
That's a big outfit, eh?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Railroad tracks. Landing gears up.
Oh no, there it says welcome to Chilpaco. It's a different plant, same color scheme. You'd think they're related. No trucks down that street. Good idea. Litter distribution company. That's yeah, I was thinking litter like trash. That's funny.
It's a really long building.
Yeah, added on to and added on to. I think, honey, I'd like another garage. Okay, one more. Past the cemetery. Oh, I checked, by the way. The back car was the back truck was a Silverado. I couldn't see what the front one was, but I see it was still bumper to bumper there, holding it in, so it doesn't roll back out of the garage. What a system! What's this town? Say it again.
Chillicothe.
Chillicothe. Oh, are we passing the Kenworth factory?
No.
No?
No.
Oh.
Hey, look at that red car. 1970. It's like a Mercury Cougar
Cougar.
or a Ford Thunderbird.
You don't sound so
In 3/4 of a
convincing.
mile, turn left on US 23 North.
Google it. You see a picture.
Oh, look at all these red vehicles here. Clary Trucking since 1947.
Turn left on US 23 North.
how long were we actually there then?
2.5 hours.
Okay. And I think the lesson, even though it said don't come in and bug us with questions, could you explain to us how it actually went down?
Yeah, after 2 hours, we went in to use the bathroom, and I went to the window and said, do you just maybe have an ETA? Because I haven't gotten a dock assignment yet. And she said, go to dock 34 right now. As soon as that guy pulls the trailer out. So, yeah, sometimes it helps to ask.
Even if the sign says don't ask.
Yep.
Just happen to be here. You could always, you know, like pretend to use the bathroom maybe 10 minutes or something. And, oh, just swinging by because I'm using the bathroom.
Don't make a pest to yourself. But I mean, it's
In 1 mile,
credible
keep left to US 35 West.
circumstance to go in and ask, because if she would have said it'll be a couple more hours and you could go get something to eat or take a nap or whatever, but sitting there, you know, on the edge of your seat waiting indefinitely gets a little boring.
And sometimes they do make mistakes and they forget about you.
Sometimes they
It'd be
forget.
really bad to sit there 6 hours and not ask because the sign said so, and then you go in finally and they're like, oh, darn it, like 4 hours ago we had actually a dock for you. We forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Be proactive.
that's always a good lesson.
That's what I
in
always
trucking.
say.
Yep.
Don't sit and wait for it to happen.
Got the moles inside the pilot.
That's nice. We like moles.
I like moles. Well, a couple of them haven't been so good, but most of them have been good. I think I'll go get some moles. Do we have time for me to get some moles?
There's no margaritas in there.
I could do Mexican without a
We got a
margarita.
line up here all the way out to the street. There's a guy behind me trying to get in. What is happening there? What's he doing?
He's way back. Oh no, there's somebody on the left of him
Is he
too.
waiting to get to the fuel line?
No, where's the scale is the question.
Be next to the fuel line. Still, you don't have to sit there.
Well, there's somebody on his left. Can you see them? In front of CRETE, there was a truck on the left. Do we have time to stop at Lowe's?
If you wish,
Oh!
knock yourself up, but go now. Don't be holding me up.
Okay.
I thought you just ate.
No, I was making my food and then we took off, so
Now
now I
you-
didn't have my food.
Yeah, but it's made.
Well, it could wait till later.
Oh, we have so much food on board, and you're gonna go buy food.
Do you have Mexican on board? Oh, Kevin.
Yeah, actually, I got salsa and blue corn chips.
You have blue corn chips?
Avocados. We pretty much got everything we need to
Do you
make
still
it.
have blue corn chips?
Yes.
Did you hide them from me? Where are the blue corn chips?
You brought 3 other bags of chips, so I thought you'd want to eat yours first.
Well, you make a very convincing argument.
Excuse? What?
What? Oh my goodness. Dangerous business. Oh, are you doing what you normally do to me on the scale?
Yeah, put my front wheels on the scale and throw them off.
Yeah, Kevin loves doing that when I get on the scale, but I've caught on. He'll put his foot there and add a little extra, and I'll be like, oh my god! But I've caught on. Also, Kevin was not well informed about our chip inventory. We ate those blue chips, like I think on the first day I was on the truck. So we do have plantain chips, but I'm just gonna stick with the lunch I made using our
Backing into the fuel line.
air fryer. I warmed up some leftover we had made the other day, zucchini and mushrooms, and I warmed them up. And so I shall eat them and give up on those. Because it's food that I already have. And Kevin's gonna want to hit the gas as soon as he gets his way. So, bye-bye, Mose. It was a nice idea. And the magic. Drum roll, please. It's like too heavy. Can't even. Oh yeah.
31, 31. We're good. Very good. Perfect.
Nice. Excellent.
Perfectly balanced.
Yeah, they know what they're doing. They do that all day long.
Let's get out.
But it's always good to double check. All right, here we come. Where are we going? Ripon? No,
Yeah.
Ripon?
Wisconsin.
Get ready, Ripon, Wisconsin. Your Oshkosh Bagosh and Fond du Lac. Here we come with some paper. Woohoo!
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the second left.
That's nice. That's nice. Unless you were going in for food, then that's not so good.
Well, you talked me out of it. Talked me out of going in for food. I know. It's probably because you want to take me out for dinner, isn't it?
Sunday night.
What? Well, no. We've done that in that town before.
What town? Fond du Lac?
Yep. Had a burger, and then all you wanted was ice cream.
Oh no, the place we walked to, that drive-in place with all the old cars there.
That was the ice cream, but before that we were at a place and had a burger.
Turn left on US 35 West.
I found a restaurant up there I'd like to try. They actually have a fish Friday, but we're not going to get there in time. That's tonight. We're going to get there Saturday. But they have
Maybe they have Saturday, Fish Friday leftovers. I know how you love leftovers.
all-day brunch. And then they have steak, and they have pork tacos.
What?
Yeah, all kinds of neat stuff. I think their main thing is barbecued or smoked pork. They put it in a lot of different dishes.
Within walking distance to where we're staying?
Yeah, we could walk there unless it's pouring rain.
Which is what the weather forecasters are
Yes,
saying.
so we'll see what the weather's like. This guy on his little mini bike.
All right, so what's the total weight? What did you say?
It's 43,000 pounds.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, are we going to drive past Kenworth now?
I'll point it out to you. You tell me if you can see it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, that reminds me of my friend Lisa, who could hear a Harley like 20 miles against the wind. Let's see if we can spot a Kenworth way off in the distance.
In 1 mile, keep left to US 35 West.
Look at the fog sitting up there, huh?
Yeah, look at the mountaintops.
I wonder how tall the peak is.
Southeast Alps of Ohio.
Yes, that's it.
The edge of the Smokies. Okay, see where the highway splits here?
Yep.
You look to the right in that direction, you can see a tower and a blinking light on top. That's where the Kenworth factory is.
Outdoor drama, keep right. That's hilarious.
Continue on US 35.
I see a tower with a blinking light.
Watch carefully,
yeah.
watch carefully.
Yeah.
See any trucks?
Uh,
Right over there.
oh,
Right over there. See
no,
our trucks?
only the ones on the road.
Okay, that's it.
That was the tour?
I don't think you can even see it from the road. It's back of the back.
Because it's very secretive.
Yes, top secret.
Top secret.
Place.
Oh, that's too bad. I was hoping for a more extensive tour. All right, well, some other day, some other way. Oh, they're all coming in here.
Now it's a bad time to be in this lane, right?
Yep,
Yep, especially with the school.
Darn
bus
it.
up there, right?
yep. Time to go back over.
Yep.
See.
We're swapped with four-wheelers. It's 3:30 on a Friday afternoon.
Oopsie, oopsie.
It's gonna be a slow ride. Traffic, keep left. You see that sign?
Pardon?
Through traffic, keep left.
Good. Okay.
You got 2 lanes.
Maybe there's a lot of on and off ramps,
Yeah.
so they want you staying left if you're not intending on using the off ramps.
Getting back.
Making me very nervous here, Mr. Walmart.
Now he's running out his air out of his brakes too.
Okay.
There, he's in better shape now.
Is he?
Yeah. Cut the wheel all the way to the right and just bring it in. He's gonna be close to us all the way in, but at least he'll be in.
Yeah, but I'm worried when he pulls out so suddenly that he's gonna hit our mirror.
Yeah, he's jerking it too fast.
He's went all the way to the other side. And he's getting
fair again.
He's getting because I'm.
Oh,
Oh, my gosh!
God,
Oh no,
gonna
he's
hit
swinging
both of
away.
us. He's gonna hit.
Oh, oh,
That's really crazy.
oh,
Now he's gonna straighten out and just bring it right in. Go
oh.
forward.
You're making me very nervous.
He's too close to the other guy now, right? Hey?
And there's nothing really we
Hey,
could do to
right.
help him.
No, he has to go straight ahead.
He started
now.
from the other side.
Straighten it out. Yeah, because he overshot. He's started wrong. He set up wrong from the beginning.
Okay. All right.
This was almost a 90 to get in here.
There,
Took
yeah.
me 2 tries.
Yeah. It's tight. I don't know why they don't give drivers more room.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
There's nothing behind us but grass. They should just push the
Yeah.
curb back another
Give
10
everybody
feet.
a couple extra
There you
feet.
go.
Make
Right
life
there.
so much easier.
Now he's just got a straight back.
Yeah. Okay.
Away we go. Here we go. Nice and slow. Don't rush. His air just ran out.
Yeah. Whew. There you go.
Too jumpy.
Okay. Well, I mean, he did like when he came from that side, and I think now he's frustrated.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But you
Don't
got
drive
it now.
angry. Don't drive angry.
You got
Be
it now.
patient.
You got it now,
Everybody's got
buddy.
time to do it right.
You got it now, buddy.
Thank you for joining us today for waiting, loading, weighing, driving, and finally protecting our truck at the truck stop. So, hey, if you liked the video, please do give us a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye. Oh, and if you decide you want to drive for Crete, Schaefer, or Hunt, and our videos have been helpful to you, please remember to give them our referral code SLOKEV, SLOKEV. We really appreciate it. Bye.